Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Apple ID and active payment method and the device software are current. Next, gather your government ID and a billing document. This speeds verification. Open the App Store, tap your profile, then choose Verify or Payment and Shipping. Follow prompts to enter address and card details. Do this now so Apple can match identity records. Once entered, wait for the immediate on-screen confirmation or the request for additional documentation if any fields mismatch. Once you upload documents, make sure images are sharp and cropped correctly. Blurry photos trigger rejections. Match the billing name exactly, no stray punctuation, because automated checks compare strings. If two-factor authentication appears, approve the login on a trusted device. If you don't see the prompt, check alternate devices and your email for verification links. Make sure Apple Pay settings aren't conflicting. Remove outdated cards temporarily. These actions reduce delays and prevent the verification process from bouncing back for small errors. To finish, monitor notifications and allow up to 48 hours for manual review. You'll receive an approval or a detailed rejection. If denied, read the reason carefully, correct the specific issue, name mismatch, unclear ID or billing mismatch, and resubmit immediately. When things still fail, contact Apple support using the case ID from the rejection, explain what you corrected, and request escalation. A single troubleshooting tip: clear app cache. Sign out and back in, then retry. This often resolves stale session validation problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.